Hi everyone, this is Sukrutha and welcome to my channel. I have made an ambigram of my name and I wanted to show it with you guys. So an ambigram is something that if you flip or rotate 180 degrees, it looks the same. So you have to design the alphabets in such a way that it looks the same both sides. And today's date is both a palindrome and an ambigram also if you check it out. That's why I made an ambigram with my name. So first initially I'm explaining the process of how I'm going through making the ambigram for my name also. I've learned it from several websites in the internet only and I'm sharing the process of learning with you guys. I'm also a beginner and this is my first ambigram that I've done. So initially you need to write out all the alphabets that are present in the name that you want to ambigram and also write it in different fonts so that it helps you in identifying the matching patterns. Then flip the paper and write the reverse alphabets that should correspond. Here S corresponds with A in my name and I have written in all different fonts and identifying the patterns that match. Here you can observe that U and H match automatically. If you can slightly tweak the line elongated as H, they are an ambigram already in my name. U and H and U and N are also some things. There are some other things like V and A which also match in the ambigram. I'm trying to make match the pattern of other corresponding alphabets in my name and I'm showing a small glimpse of that process to you. Here I'm trying to match S with A. I also wanted to keep S capital and all the letters small. You can go through any of this, like you can have all letters capital if many of the capital letters are having matching patterns when they are reversed. Here I've tried S with an A in a different style, but when I rotate it, I was seeing it as a G in a different font. So I reduce the space between the S bottom part of S and A. So you have to always rotate both sides and check how your design is going. This is a very creative process and that's why I liked making an ambigram for my name. There are also websites which make an ambigram to you online. You can use that as a reference. So after I've found out how each letter corresponds and how I should frame each letter of my name to look as an ambigram, I started making an outline. Make some lines like I've made, like we have in the childhood for a writing book, make 3 lines and also different lines to identify the height up to which you have to make the ambigram. And that helps you in maintaining the design and the aspects properly because it should look good both on both sides. S has A in the bottom. U and H are a little bit easier to tweak that elongated line. T and K was very tricky and I think I didn't get it very well also. You can see how I used the cursive letter R and U so that U is some fancy U but it looks like U. So that T and K, the T looks good in this direction but that extra accent for K, I wanted it to feel like some accent that we add in Doodle or something like that. That was the best I could come up with T and K. As you can see, I was a little bit confused on which should be on which side. Yes, this process takes a lot of creative thinking and also there's a lot of confusion involved on which should be up and which should be down and I like the process of making it actually. I wanted to make an ambigram with something from a long time in my life after I read Angels and Demons by Dan Brown. But recently I've realized you can make it with any alphabet like even your name and I wanted to try it out and today was the best day to try it out. Also in the Dan Brown novels and many other ambigrams that we see around, there is a very serious font involved like the Illuminati font. But I wanted to make it breezy and flowy pattern, so I did it this way. I have also added little accent details because the design was looking plain. And now you can see this is the finished product and I like the process very much. I want to make many more ambigrams in the future. Thank you for watching guys.